Hi, I'm Mary Podlasky from RE/MAX Executives Realty. Welcome to D-120 Wilmot Place. This two-bedroom condominium is located in the history-rich area of Crescentwood, and it's almost 1,000 square feet. Come on inside. I want to bring you home. Welcome inside. Here you will find recently updated flooring, paint, modern finishes, and a new bathroom. You also have in-suite laundry and your very own private balcony for hot summer entertaining. Crescentwood is christened with mature elm trees and bold architecture that is both old and new. You are close to major bus routes, a Safeway, Starbucks, and Little Sister Coffee. There are specialty gift and clothing shops that are locally owned and some of the finest places to dine. This area was formed in the early 1900s by a man named C.H. Enderton, who would later become one of the founders of what we currently know as our Winnipeg Real Estate Board. It was advertised to the city's business elite as the best place to live in Winnipeg. I tend to agree this is still a fact, but I'll let you decide. I can't wait to show you this property. Give me a call. This could be your next home.